Modules. JavaScript also specifies a module system supported by most runtimes. A module is usually a file identified by its file path or URL. You can use the import and export statements to exchange data between modules. Here they give us an example. Import, open curly braces, foo, and this foo could be, let's assume, a function from this foo.js, this JavaScript file. And this has to be inside of double quotes, and we end up with semicolon. Here we have a comment. Unexported variables are local to the module. So we have a constant declaration named b that is assigned the number 2, semicolon, and then we export it. Export the constant name a that is assigned the number 1. Unlike Haskell, Python, Java, etc., JavaScript module resolution is entirely host defined. It's usually based on URLs or file paths, so relative file paths just work and are relative to the current module's path instead of some project root path. However, the JavaScript language doesn't offer standard library modules. All core functionalities are powered by global variables like math and intel instead. And here we have these links. This is due to the long history of JavaScript lacking a module system and the fact that opting into the module system involves some changes to the runtime setup. Different runtimes may use different module systems. For example, Node.js uses the package manager npm and is mostly file system based, while Deno and browsers are fully URL based and modules can be resolved from HTTP URLs. And for more information you can check out this link, modules guide page. You can go here. The language and runtime. Throughout this page we've constantly mentioned that certain features are language level while others are runtime level. JavaScript is a general purpose scripting language. The core language specification focuses on pure computational logic. It doesn't deal with any input-output. In fact, without extra runtime level APIs, most notably console.log, a JavaScript program's behavior is entirely unobservable. A runtime or a host is something that feeds data to the JavaScript engine, the interpreter, provides extra global properties, and provides hooks for the engine to interact with the outside world. Module resolution, reading data, printing messages, sending network requests, etc. are all runtime level operations since its inception. JavaScript has been adopted in various environments such as browsers, which provide APIs like DOM, Node.js, which provides APIs like file system access, etc. JavaScript has been successfully integrated in web, which was its primary purpose: mobile apps, desktop apps, server-side apps, serverless embedded systems, and more. While you learn about JavaScript core features, it's also important to understand host-provided features in order to put the knowledge to use. For example, you can read about all web platforms APIs, which are implemented by browsers and sometimes non-browsers.